Hi, let's learn how to change Facebook template. Log in your Facebook account. Click the right drop-down arrow. Select the page for which template needs to be changed. Now you can see these tabs are visible. Click Setting right side next to Help. Then select Templates and Tabs 4th row. Now on right side see Current Template and click Edit. Scroll down on the screen, select desired template and click View Details. Click Apply Template. Click Page on left top below Facebook icon. Review the changes. So now you can see new tabs are inserted. Congrats, your page has a new look and feel. Download our app and learn. Thank you.